it's not like we will go let it go for 1 hour, but it's like every time whatever you are writing, whenever I will see, I will respond. Or
Right.
if the same time I am able to write down, I will respond that time
Right.
immediately. So don't bother about the timings. You are open to write whatever you wish.
Very nice of you, Upmaji. Thank you. And Delbers asked if the kitchen is in the southeast because it is the fire area, then water is bound to be there. So,
Yeah,
what is there any remedy for that?
we can't do remedy there because already there is the fire, there is the
Right.
metal, because utensils will be there, there will be grocery stuff. So all the five elements are present in the kitchen.
Right. Okay.
We
So
don't need to do extra remedy.
don't need to do anything extra. Great. All right. So okay, I'm just seeing this right now. I'm sorry, I'm unable to see your name. I can only see V written. If you could, is your name Charu? Is Charu your name? Charu Goyal? Is that is? I'm just asking to unmute you. Just let me know if you're the person. This person's written in Upaji that my husband is diabetic since 20 years. She's given date of birth and everything. I'm telling you right now. And her husband's date of birth is 12th of May 1975.
One second.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I got the right person on
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
because I couldn't see your name. Then I suddenly saw one Charu written. So
Yeah.
12th of May 1975. What's your husband's name, Charu?
His name is Rinku Goyal, Rinku, and his place of birth is Pune,
And time?
Puna. Time
135.
is 1:36 p.m.
136 because there's 135 written here.
Okay, sorry, 1:35.
No,
Sorry.
I'm asking you for confirmation.
Yeah, it's 1:35. My
Okay.
mistake.
It's okay. It's okay.
135 p.m.
Yeah.
So you are saying he's having diabetes from last 20 years.
Yeah, almost 21 years.
Yes. And is he also having some eyes related issues?
Yeah, whenever he has high sugar or something like that, his eyes immediately turn red.
Yes.
And then it takes like 3-4 days, 1 week to subside it. The white part of the eye, it gets all red. Immediately it gets
Yes,
affected.
yes, because both are connected, and in his chart there are there is the planet which is causing the eye related deep issues.
Okay.
Sun is not at a good place, so it is
Okay.
causing eyes related issues, immunity, weak immunity, and diabetes. So
Yes.
here what you can do, like there is a chana dal which we call
Yes, ma'am.
it
Yes.
gram pulse.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
take 500 grams
Okay.
chana dal, and offer this to religious place, like any Lord Vishnu, any form of Lord Vishnu temple. If you offer 500 grams chana dal, that will help once in a month.
Okay. Okay. That has to be on Thursday.
Yes, that has to be on Thursday, and this
Okay.
is till September 2021. And after
Okay.
September 2021, you can do this once in a 6 month. And like right now, if you are not able to go at temple
Yeah.
because of lockdown and every other
Yeah.
issues,
Yeah.
so you can just keep at your home temple, or and whenever that temple's open, that time you can offer there.
Okay. When we are saying offering, so that means we have to go and keep it in front of Vishnu ji.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And ma'am, even I have diabetes since 2 years now. I have a lot of stress, that is for sure. So
Yes.
I understand it is because of that. But then I have got multiple health issues somewhere or the other since many years, almost like 20 years or something.
Yes, and for you is like take one handful of green moong,
Okay.
soak it in a water, and keep near your bed headboard side. And
Okay.
next day morning, offer them to birds. So
Okay.
offering daily offering the soaked green moong, that will help you to come out of these multiple issues.
Actually, I'm living in Gurgaon in flats. So here there are all multiple buildings. So birds actually don't come. I am at the ground floor. So there are no
Okay.
birds over here.
Okay, then you can take 1.25 kg of green moong and
Okay.
offer these to Lord Ganesha temple once
Okay.
in a 6 month on
Okay.
Wednesday.
On
That
Wednesday.
will help. Yes, that
Okay.
will
Okay.
help.
Okay. Fine. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
I'm so
Charu.
grateful. Thank you so much, Nilu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Gratitude. Thank you.
Do go ahead and take a more detailed consultation with her, especially considering,
Yeah,
everything
I
that's
do
on the
plan
plate.
to. I
Think
do
about
plan to.
it. Awesome.